Hello, fellow traders. Today the Dow was battling the 78.80. Closed above it. Just doesn't want to seem to break down. Really interesting. The volume was light churning. Tomorrow we just got to see what happens. If it goes up from here, we can be making a run still, definitely. It's showing some strength with all the doom and gloom and all the bad news out there. I'm really surprised it held 78.80 today. The S&P, on the other hand, was looking at that chart, and I'm liking what I see. I actually want to share this chart with you guys tonight, and I'm going to go over a couple things where they broke their downtrend. They came down and successfully tested that trend line, took off on a new uptrend, and we're actually closed right on a nut right now. And really exciting to see which way the market's going to go. I'm going to grab this camera and show you right here. There's the S&P. Right here is where it touched the 50-day before it started its slide. As you can see, I love this stuff right here. Right here it broke the uptrend, or it broke the downtrend. Bam! Right through the line. Came back down. I would not be a buyer here. Just a little quick lesson in here. When something breaks the uptrend, if you get in, it's got to be right away and right out, because look how it's going to come down and retest that line, which it did. Found support and took right off. Okay? This is what I like here. This is what I drew last week, which when the S&P was down here, this is what we were going for, remember? Schwab at 16, the Dow at 8,500, and the S&P above 850 at the 50-day moving average. It was picture perfect last week. It happened. We've sold off. The volume dropped off, which is good, and we're right down here on this support line now. Okay? And I want to show you something that I like here. This was tough because it was double resistance. We had the trend line and the 50-day moving average battle above. Real tough. We need some volume and some conviction to get through that. Okay, now we're down here on this support line, which isn't that big. Okay, but we're still in an uptrend, and I want to show you this double support here that I found. And it does come into play because this is kind of a new mini downtrend that was forming here. And you can see right here where it kind of battled it before we went up above it on that nice little rally we got last week. And now we're back down to it. We got double support. See that? I like that. Okay? Could be wrong, but I like it. Now I want to show you Schwab, because it just so happens that Schwab has double support right now too. Really nice. Okay, there's our Schwab. I'm going to get right to it here. Right here, there's our downtrend on Schwab. Okay, I just showed you on the S&P. See, there's where we broke our downtrend. We actually tested it here briefly, pulled away from it, and now we're bam, right back to it. Okay, good support. I like it. Okay, just like this right here was good resistance. We had a double resistance, the 50-day and the top new downtrend of the trend. Okay, if you were trading this and you're looking to buy Schwab for a trade, you don't buy it up here because that's the top of the trend. You got to get it down here on these levels, see? So now, this is what I like too, is you come off of this low they made way back in July, then made their low in October, then made a new low in November. It lands right on our close today. Basically, for me, that is going to be almost impossible to hold this stock below the 1220, 1230, 1240 range. Double support. I love it. Just like double resistance. This is our trend now, right here. From 1220-ish today, we should be looking for a bounce up around 1450, 15. If we get a power rally, then we'll break through. We could see 20 on a nice rally, overall market rally. So that's what I'm seeing after today's action. Tomorrow's going to be interesting if we can hold these marks. As far as LDK, I want to pick some more up under 11. They didn't quite make it under 11 today. If the market pulls back, it's going to be a nice opportunity. Hopefully they come out with more fluff and announce some, changes, some tax cuts, some cuts with capital gains. These are things we need to thrust the market, to jolt it one way or the other. They're holding us there. They're doing their job again. They're making it unsure. Nobody knows which way it's going to go. I don't know. Nobody on TV you listen to on CNBC knows. Everybody's just got an opinion. That's for sure. But I stated my opinion for you. I showed you some facts, and it'll be interesting to see which way this goes. Tomorrow's gonna be interesting. I'm exciting week this week. They got us right down here on the nut. We're either gonna be, wow, Friday, look at we're up, we're doing good, or we broke through. With the low volume, I can't see the meltdown coming this week. But we'll see. Good luck.